What if I told you someone is making thousands of dollars a day while literally asleep? No crypto, no dropshipping, and no late-night side hustle peddling candles on TikTok. I'm talking about vending machines, but not the old-school Twix stuck in the spiral type. These are AI-powered, camera-tracking, smart fridges that auto-charge your card the second you grab your overpriced Red Bull. And one guy, Michael Hoffman, used them to go from struggling on $1,200 a month to building a vending empire generating $900,000 a year. And the wildest part? He started with no LLC, no business name, and a vending machine he financed for just $117 a month, with zero payments for the first 90 days. This video is your all-access blueprint to how Mike scaled from zero to vending machine superhero. We're going to break down how smart vending works, how much you need to start, and, spoiler, the startup could be less than $1,000 if you do it right. How to get businesses to literally pay you to place your machine, and how you could turn a passive income dream into a reality with just one yes. So if you've ever bought a bottle of water for $3 and thought, this is a scam, you're right. But now you can be the one running the scam. Ethically, of course. Mike's origin story begins in the Denver airport. It's late, he's tired, he's thirsty, and he's staring down a vending machine asking for $8 for a bottle of water. A water bottle that costs 20 cents at Costco. That moment flipped a switch. Someone, somewhere, was asleep while this machine was making money. Massive margins, no employees, no manager yelling at you to restock chips. Just straight up unattended capitalism. And Mike thought, I need in. So he dove into research, watching every YouTube video he could find on vending machines, margins, product setups, pricing strategies, you name it. He didn't even have a business name when he walked into his first apartment complex to pitch the idea. He just led with value. Would you want your residents walking to 7-Eleven at 11 p.m.? They said no. He got the green light. Only then did he finance his first smart machine. Total monthly payment? About $117. He stocked it with $300 to $400 in inventory. Watched a few tutorials, set the prices, and rolled the dice. The machine pulled in $1,200 its first month. That alone was more than he made at his 9-to-5. And then came the first domino. That apartment complex had 4 sister properties. One happy client introduced Mike to the rest. Before he knew it, his side hustle was stacking locations and racking up referrals. But here's the kicker. Mike isn't building a vending business. He's building a vending system. And that system is powered by what he calls unattended retail, a phrase he prefers over vending because, honestly, vending is dead. This is something else entirely. So what are these futuristic snack bots? They look like sleek fridges. No spirals, no codes, no kicking the glass. You tap your card, the fridge unlocks, you grab what you want and walk away. Cameras in the corners track every item and charge your card in real time. It's like Amazon Go, but for your apartment gym. And the margins? Insane! Mike buys bottled water for 16 cents, sells it for $1.50. Energy drinks he buys for $1.35, sells for $3.75. Some products like Tide Pods go from $2.75 to $14 because when people need them, they pay whatever. He calls these high-margin items incidentals. Think makeup wipes, condoms, phone chargers, Dayquil. Would people want them? They're not even looking at the price tag. But even more important than products are locations. One bad location might only bring in a few $100 a month. But his best location? $17,000 from one machine. So how does he find gold mine spots? Simple. He does drive-bys. If the parking lot is packed at 2 p.m. on a Friday, it's probably a good lead. If it's a ghost town, he moves on. He's looking for foot traffic, not promises. And when it comes to pitching the machines, he leads with zero cost, no revenue sharing, no rent, just straight up value. We'll install the machine, stock it, repair it, and maintain it for free. If they ask about revenue share, That's when he negotiates. Sure, but only if you intro us to 4 of your sister properties. Smart, scalable, non-pushy. So how passive is this business, really? Surprisingly very. Mike spends about 1 hour a week checking on machines. That's it. Why? Because he's built systems. The machines are connected to software that shows him in real time which products are running low, which machines are red zoned, and which ones are crushing it. His dashboard lights up like a traffic light. Green equals good. Yellow equals restock soon. Red equals go now. Even the restocking process is systemized. His delivery driver comes every Monday between 9 and 11. The team knows which machines need inventory and exactly what to bring. It's rinse, restock, repeat. All data-driven, no guesswork. Let's break down the financials. Startup cost for one machine? About $8,000. But if you finance it over 60 months, your monthly payment is just $150 to $175. Add $300 to $400 in product inventory, and you're all in for under $1,000 upfront. And what does that bring you? Around $1,500 in monthly revenue per machine. Subtract COGS, 30%, credit card processing, and that machine payment. And you're looking at $900 a month in profit if you're doing the work yourself. Hire help? You're still clearing 45 to 50% margins. And the best part? Mike scaled this to 80 machines. At $75K plus month, he's cruising past the 7-figure runway. Here's the lesson. One yes can lead to a vending empire. And Mike's strategy to scale? Not Facebook ads, not cold emails, not even SEO. It's referrals. Every happy property manager introduces him to 2 to 5 more. He even said that if he had to start again with $10,000, he wouldn't spend it on machines. He'd pay college students $1,000 for every qualified pop-in that converts to a location. That's how much a good spot is worth. Now let's talk common mistakes. The biggest? Buying machines before locking in a location. Don't be that person with 3 machines in your garage collecting dust. Second mistake? Using the building's Wi-Fi. Mike installs his own routers with dual SIM cards, Verizon plus AT&T, so the machines stay connected no matter what. Third mistake? Buying used machines off Craigslist. He saved $2,000 once doing that, only for it to break 6 months later. No warranty. Had to buy a new one anyway. Lesson learned, just buy new. So how fast can you ditch your 9 to 5 and go full-time? Mike says it's like baseball. You might pitch 10 locations and only get 3 yeses. That's a 300 batting average, still MVP level, but you've got to get in the game. His path? He started with 2 or 3 machines, got good, got referrals, and scaled from there. Not overnight, but definitely doable. One unexpected insight: product preferences vary wildly by demographic. College students want sugar-free energy drinks, big bags of candy. Seniors? Diet Coke and Snickers. One apartment complex he manages devours Snickers so fast they dedicate 3 shelves to them. Another? Just 1. And AI has taken that insight even further. Mike can now see exactly which products are selling at which locations, when people are buying, and how to restructure shelves in real time. It's like vending machine psychology. They test what works, double down, and remove what doesn't. That's the edge traditional vending just doesn't have. And yes, competition exists. Other vendors might try to take your spot, but Mike handles it like a boss. He over-communicates with the property, builds relationships, shows up, says hi, and keeps machines full. Customer service, not sabotage. So what about unexpected fees? Each machine has a software subscription for the AI, around $50 to $60 a month. Add a few bucks for cellular data, and you're good. Nothing crazy, but worth budgeting for. Still wondering if vending is worth it? Just look at airports. They've got vending machines selling Legos for $75 a pop. And parents happily swipe. It's all about convenience. It's all about timing. Final question. If Mike could go back, what would he change? He said he wishes he joined a community or took a course earlier. Learning everything solo cost him time and pain. Now, he's a big believer in mentorship. Leverage those who've already stepped on the landmine so you don't have to. Here's the truth. Vending is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a get-rich-consistently business, if you build it right. So if you're looking to escape your 9-to-5, start small. Just get one yes, one machine, one route. Learn the game, build the systems, and scale. Because while everyone else is waiting for passive income to fall from the sky, you'll be building your empire one snack at a time.